Hey, what's up, guys? So, as always, I'm going to share information with you that's going to make a difference in your business. One of the things I was thinking about is how do I retarget clients that have already booked with me in the past? They've already got to experience the process of how it is to work with my business. So, therefore, all we have to do now as business owners is stay within their radar. So, what we can do is send them monthly emails just on updates and the new additions that we have added to our business, just like I said, to stay in their radar. When you guys hear a ad or watch a promotion, the more you see it, the more you eventually will click on it when you need their service or product. Same thing with the photo booth industry. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys here really quick. And I want to show you my Wix. Now, no one's doing this on YouTube, so I decided to be the first one. So you guys can see that this client spent over $2,000 and so on and so forth. So all these clients have spent a lot of money. Now, what I can do is I can come right over here and go to customer email and then be able to pull their email, create an email list, and then go to marketing and SEO and start creating an email campaign. What's really cool about that is that I can create a campaign and send that out to them, to a very specific group of people. And I can do the same exact thing with people who purchase digital items as well, and not only remind them like, hey, we are here with new products, but also even offer them promotional deals and discount coupons that are going to be there in their email box with either an expiration date or, like I say, just stay within their radar, continuously come up, so that eventually they'll go ahead and book us again a second, third, fourth, fifth time. So this is a strategy that I'm going to go and execute in 2024 because, guys, honestly, retargeting is something a lot of people don't do. So let's go ahead and retarget those clients. Now, if you guys don't have Wix, you guys can come up with the list, like the text message list maybe, or email if you guys were communicating with the client through email. And start building up that list, guys. That list is considered an asset list because all those clients, all that information you've acquired is a lead. And that lead, of course, is going to generate a potential booking for you. So I hope this video gets you guys thinking of how you guys are going to use your existing clients, your database, to your advantage in 2024. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.